In 2025, over 40% of global companies reported integrating AI into their operations. But here's the catch. Experts say we've only scratched 10% of AI's potential. Welcome to a future already unfolding. Artificial intelligence is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's here, it's learning, it's working, and it's reshaping everything we know about the world. But where exactly is this revolution taking us? Today, we'll uncover how AI is changing education, medicine, business, and creativity, the ethical minefields we're stepping into, and what life could look like by 2030. Stick around till the end for a mind-blowing scenario of our AI-driven future. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if this blew your mind. It all began with a question posed by Alan Turing in 1950. Can machines think? This led to the birth of the Turing test, a way to measure a machine's ability to exhibit human-like intelligence. Fast forward to the 1980s, and we see expert systems emerge, early AI attempts at mimicking human decision-making. By the 2000s, computing power skyrocketed, data exploded, and deep learning began to evolve. Then came 2022, ChatGPT. It stunned the world with human-like conversations, writing, coding, even therapy advice. By 2024, AI tools like GPT-5 and Google's Gemini became part of daily workflows from students to CEOs. And that's just the beginning. AI is revolutionizing education from the ground up. At the Wharton School of Business, a new AI-focused MBA curriculum launched in 2024, teaching students how to leverage AI for business strategy, data analysis, and marketing. AI tutors like Conmigo from Khan Academy provide personalized help in real time, adapting to a student's pace and learning style. Think of it like a personal mentor who knows your strengths, weaknesses, and preferred learning style, 24/7. Some schools now use predictive algorithms to identify students at risk of falling behind, enabling intervention before problems snowball. But is this personalized learning or over-reliance on machines? What do you think? Comment below. In 2025, AI is already saving lives. Take Google's MedPalm 2, trained specifically on medical knowledge. It passed US medical licensing exams and now assists in diagnostics. AI can now detect diseases like breast cancer or diabetic retinopathy with accuracy rivaling top specialists. In drug development, AI is shortening timelines from years to months. Just last year, In Silico Medicine used AI to design a novel drug for fibrosis, now in clinical trials. Dr. Eric Topol said, AI won't replace doctors, but doctors who use AI will replace those who don't. Still, there are questions. Who's liable when AI makes a bad call? Can we trust machines with life and death decisions? In the corporate world, AI isn't just helping, it's running the show. Tools like Microsoft Copilot and Notion AI automate emails, meetings, even entire project briefs. AI assistants now summarize, draft, and organize workflows like superpowered interns. Retail giants use AI to predict shopping trends and manage inventory in real time. And customer support? Largely AI-driven. Instant, efficient, scalable. In factories, robotics powered by AI optimize production lines, reduce waste, and operate 24/7. A 2024 McKinsey report found AI increased productivity by an average of 25% in firms that adopted it early. But the flip side? Thousands of jobs lost to automation. We're entering an era where humans work with AI or risk being replaced by it. Yes, AI paints. Yes, it writes music. Yes, it's creating movies. AI-generated novels are on Amazon. Musicians are co-creating with algorithms. Visual artists use tools like Midjourney and DALL-E to manifest the impossible. In 2024, an AI-generated short film was nominated at Sundance. It was co-written by a human, animated by AI, and emotionally stunning. But here's the ethical dilemma. If a machine can create art, what happens to the artist? And how do we handle AI-created deepfakes, fake news articles, or synthetic voices impersonating real people? From fake celebrity videos to voice clones that scam people over the phone, the dangers are real. Job displacement is another major concern. The World Economic Forum predicts AI could displace over 85 million jobs globally by 2025, while also creating 97 million new ones. But what if you're not in one of those new job categories? Are we prepared for the social fallout? This brings us to governments are scrambling to keep up. In 2024, The EU passed the AI Act, the world's first comprehensive AI law, classifying tools by risk level. China has introduced strict watermarking rules for AI-generated content. The US issued executive orders promoting AI safety, ethical guidelines, and transparency. Big tech companies formed the Frontier Model Forum, pledging to prevent harmful uses of AI. But enforcement? Still playing catch-up. As AI moves faster than regulation, we're left asking, can laws ever truly keep up with innovation? By 2030, your digital assistant might be your life coach, your doctor, your lawyer, your teacher. AI companions may help the elderly live independently. Virtual worlds may replace classrooms. Governments may use AI to shape policy in real time, but it all depends on how we steer the ship now. We're on the cusp of something enormous. Will AI be humanity's greatest tool or its most unpredictable threat? We stand at a crossroads. One path leads to unimaginable progress, the other to risks we can barely understand. The question isn't, can AI change the world? It's, will we be ready when it does? What do you think? Is AI the dawn of a golden age or the beginning of something darker? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video, where we explore AI and consciousness. Could machines ever truly think? Until then, stay curious and stay human.